Drop feed dog function in Usha Janome is very useful. When you have to stitch a button or you want to embroider, then you can use this drop feed function, and this feed dog is used basically at the time of button fixing and embroidery. I show you how to do it easily and nicely. So this is the slider on the bottom side of your automatic machine. When you open the accessory box, I show you fixing a button, and this process, the entire process will explain the thing clearly. See, move the slider to right, the feed dog will go down, it will drop. Now the machine will not move further, it will be fixed at one place. I've set the dial on the C, that is zigzag, and stitch length, stitch width is around 3. That depends on the distance between two holes in a button. So this is a small standard size small button. Keep the button exactly under the needle and your sewing needle will be stitching zigzag. Initially, as you start stitching, you have to take care that your machine stitch inside the hole and then it moves to another hole. When you are confirmed, then you can press the foot pedal and your button will be stitched. See, one of the major issues when you stitch or fix buttons with this feed dog function, you have to again check that your needle is going inside the holes. You move the thread and the needle about 6-7 times and your button is stitched. There is a major reason why the fabric may stuck while you stitch a button or you drop the feed dog. The simple method is remove the bobbin. If any thread is stuck, try to remove the needle, but no need to press it or pull it too hard. I can see a loop of the thread, so I cut it. Sometimes it solves the problem. And if it doesn't help, then you cut the thread from the top. This is a hosiery fabric. So if your fabric is really thin, you can use fusing even while fixing a button. But the major reason why this cloth is sticking inside this machine is something else, and I show you. See, this is the way the button is done while I drop the feed dog. To check the problem, we open this faceplate, and if your machine, or if you are using any other regular machine, any domestic machine, those metal, the black sewing machines and your machine does not have feed dog dropping function, then you can simply remove this feed dog yourself. These are the screws that you can remove. If you remove feed dog using this method, then also it will serve the same purpose. But while I open this machine, I clean the lint, the dust, and this is one of the major reasons why the fabric gets stuck. So if you want a neat and clean stitching, you have to keep the bobbin area clean. So remove the presser foot. Using an old toothbrush, you can remove all the lint. Remove the bobbin area, this thing, shuttle race. Take them out. Even small pieces of clothes or lint can cause trouble at the time of stitching or embroidery. Once you are done with the cleaning or you want a regular stitching, then you can fix the feed dog back. In case your feed dog is misplaced or it is not working properly, you feel that it needs to be replaced, then you can buy it online or from the company showroom. If you want to buy a feed dog or any other sewing machine accessory, you can ask me. I will share the link in the comment section. So this is the shuttle. This we place back in the shuttle race. And here we get this part from the top. Fix it. It is easy. You can do it if you follow this method. And here your shuttle race is up and running. Put the faceplate back. The bobbin, set the bobbin. Thread the machine. And if some of you feel that you dropped the feed dog, but the feed dog is not showing on the top, then don't worry. When you stitch with your machine, the feed dog will come on the top itself. I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Stay subscribed, like and share. Bye bye. Take care.